Halpin Centre for Research and Innovation at the National Maritime College of Ireland is the Maritime Research and Innovation Centre for the Cork Institute of Technology and a research and innovation arm of the Irish Naval Service. The National Maritime College is a constituent college of the Cork Institute of Technology and a partnership between the Cork Institute of Technology and the Irish Naval Service. The Halpin Centre undertakes research and innovation in the maritime safety and security, shipping, transport and logistics, and maritime education and training areas. The Arcopol Platform project is the third of the Arcopol projects that began in 2009. The Arcopol Platform provides a focal point for end users to access relevant information, knowledge and key resources to cope with accidental marine and coastal pollution. Arcopol Platform has two main objectives. Firstly, Arcopol Platform is reinforcing the protection of the European Atlantic coastal regions from maritime pollution through the capitalisation and upgrading of Arcopol and Arcopol Plus results on contingency planning, hazardous and noxious substance preparedness and response, detection, monitoring and prediction systems, environmental monitoring, training and awareness raising. Secondly, setting up the Atlantic Technical Platform, which will be a sustainable structure of public-private cooperation focused on maritime spills, preparedness and response. The platform will act as a meeting forum for public and private organisations dealing with oil and hazardous and noxious substance spills, maintain and upgrade the outcomes of Arcopol and Arcopol Plus projects, and promote the exchange of knowledge and experience, the identification of technological offer and demand, and the development of innovative public-private initiatives. In this exercise, the Irish Naval Service validates the findings of Arcopol by utilising the tools from the Arcopol platform and the lessons learned from the previous Arcopol projects to help them to prevent the spread of the pollution and to assist in the clean-up, to test the command and control of the responders and the implementation of the local authorities' local action plan. The exercise begins at 1500 hours local time, when a chemical tanker transiting the south coast of Ireland experiences an engine room fire and has lost power. It is drifting north towards the Salty Islands, a special area of conservation. The tanker broadcasts a mayday. Rosslare Coast Guard radio responds to the mayday and quickly establishes contact with the Maritime Rescue Coordination Centre in Dublin. A Coast Guard helicopter and two Irish Naval Service vessels are tasked by MRCC Dublin to proceed to the scene, to monitor the events as they unfold, and to provide assistance to the tanker. One of the naval vessels assumes on-scene commander and controls the operation locally. This includes enforcing a 2-kilometre exclusion zone around the tanker. As the exercise progresses and the fire is brought under control, the Coast Guard helicopter relays video footage to the naval vessels and to MRCC Dublin. Naval personnel wearing personal protective equipment are transferred to the tanker to determine the extent of the H&S spill, while others are also dressed in PPE to take samples of the spill from the sea. When it becomes clear that the tanker will run aground, the crew are evacuated by the Coast Guard helicopter and boats from the Naval Service. The local authorities' local action plan is implemented and the naval vessels maintain the exclusion zone.